morning, everybody. Good morning at this World Conference.
Please be open for what's coming up. Have an open acceptance for that.
Healthcare faces many challenges, and those challenges do not stop at borders. We have one key issue to solve, and that is access to reliable data.
Unless we work today to start building for that future, we are not going to be able to have a sustainable healthcare system.
Let me just take a moment and ask you to turn to the person next to you and just say the following words. The work you are doing saves lives.
Ta-da! The very first robot that fully by itself draws your blood.
Let patients be an active part of the work. What if the people who have the problem have the ability to step into the driver's seat?
We may be frustrated now that things just aren't as amazing as we want them to be, but we're at the bottom of that hill climbing rapidly.
That is our shared responsibility, to build on the collective power of this community and use it to transform healthcare. You can't sit still and watch the revolution happen in front of the TV. You have to be part of it.